natural cure, fasting, exercise, stretch, walk, art, dance, music, gratitude, breathe, relax, smile, resistance training, weightlifting, jumping, eco-living, natural cleaners for households, bioenzymes, soapnuts, baking soda, natural dhoop, cinnamon plus gulab jal, for bath pisan, natural fibre clothing, food for health, fruits, whole fruit, fruit smoothie. Alright, let's talk about the nut and seed smoothie. Now moving on to the green smoothie. Finally, we have the fruit juice, mix fruits, fluids, salad, mix vegetable salad, millet or rice poha salad, sprout salad, fluids, nut, milk, soaked, roasted salad, millet salad, rajgira puff salad, steamed and raw vegetables, cooked sabji roti. And next we have khichdi or perhaps some vegetable beans. Finally, lentil soup and steamed veggies. Curd millet rice. Fluids, millet and beans idli. Besan vegetable sabji.